What up, people? Coach V, New Breed Boxing. Do losses in the amateurs hurt your transition from the amateurs to the pros? The answer is no. Your amateur win-to-loss ratio holds no weight and has no effect on what you will be getting paid as a professional. The only thing that will count is what your accomplishments are, meaning if you won some major tournaments, Golden Gloves, Nationals, the Olympics in particular, that will give you more leverage to negotiate a higher pay scale because you've built a fan base, you've already accomplished a significant amount because you're highly decorated. So they have no choice but to pay you what you're worth. But nobody cares how many losses you got. In fact, if you feel bad about catching a loss in the amateurs, just go look up Holyfield, Roy Jones, Floyd Mayweather. Their Olympic fights were, a perfect example of what happens in the amateurs. It just comes with the territory. But when you turn professional, it's the total opposite. You got to stay undefeated for as long as possible because that is your leverage to, negotiate for more money. So anyway, I hope you found this informative. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Online courses out now. Link is in the description. Go check me out on Instagram at coach.v_. Till the next time, we out of here. Ow.